Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I will try to show you how face unlock works in the smartphone. So when you press power key, smartphone is already unlocked. I have to swipe and take a look. When I go for the settings and find fingerprint, face and the password, I set up face unlock, as you can see. And there's also the protection password. And I use for the screen unlock. And also it's set up to auto unlock, so I don't have to swipe like that, right? So let's check it out another time. I press power key, I press another time, and smartphone is already unlocked. That's crazy. I don't know, it's some kind of the bug, but the same thing happened to the fingerprint sensor. When I put finger here, it doesn't unlock smartphone with the fingerprint sensor. But take a look, when I lock the device like that with swipe down and I put the finger on the fingerprint sensor, it's unlocked. And right now, as you can see, the face unlock works, but right now it's not working again. So that's some kind of the bug in this smartphone. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.